right, I'm gonna get right into it. I ain't even finna play. I just got to Kennesaw. I'm on my way to meet, it's Bert, my boy Bert. Literally, he knows some of the homies. He knows a few of my homies, actually. We just met literally going down the street. So, I had posted to Jetta for shits and giggles for trade. You know, we made friends. My boy got a couple Volkswagens, a couple older cars. Seems like he lives a lit life, but my boy taking these crazy pictures on Insta. I'm like, bro, who takes these pictures? He told me he did all the photos, so I'm like, shit, bro, let's link up. Let's see what we can get going. My clutch is fucking screaming today. Now that's money. Big money. Big money guy. Look at this though. The twins, the fraternal twins. Got a fake one and a real one. Got the Jetta clean. I literally rolled through a 6-hour car wash and it looks like this. Buff your car. And clay bar. This shit's hella smooth. I love this tint. This shit's clean. My fucking trans is so loud. Alright, so yeah, nothing crazy exciting going on. We're just some dudes having a photo shoot. I think we're going to hit a couple spots. If we don't, that's fine. Because I'm sure these are going to slap already. MK4R, you goddamn right. I just love being around Volkswagens, it don't matter. I need the Maristos. I want to golf so fucking bad, and my boy's got a real one. But it's the tent, it's the fucking tent. Oh yeah, I give my boy a follow, it's Bert. My boy's definitely hooking me up with the treatment right now. It's a 30 though. M52 swap, and this shit sounds really good. Welded diff, my boy is scrubbing everywhere he go. The hymns, shit's confetti. Shit's nice as fuck. This bitch is shiny.
I know, right?
I don't even want to look at it.
Yeah, I got 2 filters on my lens now. I got the polarizer to help with like the glare.
And the ND.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he's pulling his car up so we can get the duals for the twins. I'm gonna put my Cash App below. Y'all goddamn listen to that. Somebody Cash at me so I get a VR swap. Look at these seats.
I know, man. It's already dirty in here.
No. Damn, the backs too?
Yeah, I'm missing the headrest on the back, but that's how I got it.
These are like what come in the B6?
Pretty much.
B5 Audis?
Yeah.
And they just have the Recaro written on it?
Yeah. Dude, these seats are so nice.
These are big money seats.
Yeah, sit in this one.
I want the trim so bad.
Oh, the chrome?
The titanium, silver, whatever.
Oh, no, man. They just hug you.
Oh, damn. I thought my seat was crazy.
Yeah.
So this is what it's like. I want a cluster and I want this. I think I'll definitely get this.
Yeah.
The silver trimmings.
Oh, yeah.
Like all
the
of
trim
this.
is pretty easy to find. Because I think the anniversary models had it too.
Oh, you have a fucking digital climate control?
Yeah.
Definitely getting that.
Yeah.
Definitely getting that.
They're like $40 too. They're not expensive.
Oh yeah, I'm getting that.
Yeah.
I love how clean this is because my head unit is trash.
Dude,
This
yeah.
is comfy,
Yeah,
and you don't have no miles on this car.
Oh yeah, no. I bought it with 116.
And you have your fucking Sunroof liner?
Yeah.
Yeah, my car's a bucket. My car's a fucking bucket. Damn. Shit on me. At least his horn doesn't work.
Huh?
Your horn works?
Oh yeah, it does.
Oh, fuck
I
you.
think it just doesn't work when the car's not on.
Now I'm getting to see everything that's different.
Yeah.
I mean, my car was a GLS, so
Yeah,
it is clean. I'm not complaining. I'm just...
Normally, like, these Recaros are, like, ripped up as fuck.
Is it? Hear me open it. That silver hitting.
Yeah.
The GLI Recaros. If y'all never seen the inside of this fucking shit bucket.
Like that.
The GTI Weathers. It's a stock Jetta.
At least you got the black interior though. That's nice.
Yeah, that sold it.
Yeah.
I don't want no tan interior. This is what I'm here for. Now y'all can see. It's a Jetta with a golf front end. This shit though, that tank goes so fucking retarded. Same but different. Different, but same. Same but different. He got different side skirts than me though. I don't know what these are. But same. So, April 21st, yesterday was the 420, so you know we strapped up. Right now I'm on my way to the shop. I got a brand new clutch, back seat, stage 3 6-puck. Right now, I am, like I said, I'm driving on the way to the shop right now. My clutch in this car now, as it sits, is completely fucking gone. I don't know if y'all knew or if we told anybody. I blew my trans up last summer, which is part of the reason we had a big hiatus and we stopped making content and shit. I'll let y'all see that now. Boys getting us on the truck. Trans had to give out. I don't know. Take it to the shop and see. This car been sitting here since Thursday. It's Monday though, so it's about time. I'm glad I'm not looking at the intercooler right now because I'd probably be pissed. It's gotta be the trans. It smells like freaking hamburger helper. Alright, the car is here. What the fix will be, only time will tell. Going with transmission, it then leaked out whatever is left in it on the bed of the truck, so. Beyond that, so I'm just now getting a clutch, just now getting around to replacing the clutch. The clutch that was in the car worked for a while until it just decided not to. So right now, oh God, I'm dreading red lights. So I'm gonna just slow down, I'm gonna downshift. I can't leave a red light. Oh my fuck. Alright, I guess y'all get to see what it's like trying to leave him first. Come on, come on, come on. Fuck me. Alright, y'all ready? It's bad. Fuck me. Just leave in second. Just leave in second. It's easier. Just leave in second. I can't even record this, y'all. I'll be back. Yeah. Doing the clutch. Putting a clutch in this here Jetta so I can putt around. I don't know what is in here. I think it was a stage 1 clutch one. We did the trans. It was sacks. Whatever it was not nearly enough to hold for this car. I don't know if it's a single mass, dual mass. I'm hoping it's already a single mass flywheel in there. If not, if so, this is not the clutch that this car will be getting. This is just something for me to be able to get around town, maybe do a fucking couple 60 rolls. Like, this is not the clutch that I'm gonna be sticking with. I will be trying to stay with a 6-puck, but just not from this company. I'm just Legoing if I can. If I didn't have the flywheel, I just wanted the flywheel. I just needed the flywheel. I'm gonna be in a little cheap bitch, but it's gonna work out in the end because I can do the shit for free whenever I want to. So I don't care. Let's get on with it. All right, so this is like day 5. I don't know what I've told y'all so far, but up here with Dia, Muhammad. I got the car on the lift right now, just collecting some of my tools that I got in Muhammad's shop. Come over here. I already got the car on the lift, took the tires off. But we just fucked my bumper up. Trying to put it up there. So first, gotta rip the battery out and get the mount. There's a couple nuts. In goes the 6-puck. So, hopefully a few hours. Taking this trans out before, so it's not our first time. All right. Axles last, bell housing bolts, and then the mounts, and it's out. It's only, I mean, there's not a lot of shit to do at all. Control arm, these 3 in the control arm so that you can move it out. I already got the axle nut out. Once I get these bolts out, I'll just be able to rip it. Then mounts, put something under it, bell housing, rip it out.
Nigga, took a pledge to this pole and I ain't leaving, ho. On my side, yeah, you can catch the 30, bro. Stick it up, give it up, huh. I took a pledge to this 30 with this green bean. Yo, pledge to the allegiance to my green bean. Nah, I ain't switching up on that green thing. Hollow tips and this 30 clip, racks at your heads. Doof, 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 doof. Sending shots at your dome. Give it up, stick it up. Made a pledge to this Glock, I ain't never giving up. Stick it up, run up in your house, I'll blow it up. Made a pledge of allegiance to this bean, it ain't going nowhere.
To my motherfucking red beam, ho, it's a pole. Put a flag on it, I pledge to let it go. Hey, skip to my motherfucking red beam, ho, it's a pole. Put a flag on it, I pledge to let it go. Hey, skip to my motherfucking red beam, ho, it's a pole. Put a flag on it, I pledge to let it go. Hey, skip to my motherfucking red beam, ho, it's a pole. Put a flag on it, I pledge to let it go. Ouch. That bitch out though.
So why was it slipping?
Oh, that's not gear oil. No, that's not gear oil. I think that's from when my fucking valve cover was bad, but the shit was still open. But it's slipping. You'll see when the trans come out why it's fucking slipping. This is okay. I can clean all that shit up. Not really too worried about that. How do we do this, Phelan? All right, I think I'm bullshitting. You see what happened?
It's just you right in the clutch, bro.
Nah, look at these hot spots. They damn near even. Yeah, all right. I got something for that 550 now.
That boy was pushing some power.
Damn! That's hilarious. That's not supposed to happen.
Dre beating on the car.
Holy shit!
You got pedal or no?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Pumping real good.
All right. Yeah.
Pump it up, pump it.
That's how you bleed your clutch. Dre's
All right.
old-fashioned way.
You holding?
Yeah.
All right. What?
You still ain't done.
He just put it back.
For like 10 hours.
He
Bro.
just put it back.
You been going for an hour and a half.
Just right now.
I just want to see if it's gonna move or if the
So do I.
transmission back. But I gotta go all the way to my mother's house.
Okay.
I thought I would come in here and start. Here, that center. That shaft, I don't like it.
Dad,
That shit was going like this.
Dad, if the car would
Like,
move, it
it's
would.
not, nigga, all the way around. You seen the angles of that shit?
Sit down.
Max, watch out. Somebody left the ground loose.
Don't move.
Huh? I told you about the ground, bro.
We might have to do that again too, because I'm sure
That was in the pocket.
Put in no battery.
This is to the starter. Oh, the power. I never.
Power?
This is a power, bro. He's about to set his whole car on fire.
I never
Are
took
you
I'll touch it.
recording?
Yeah.
Go to the start.
Obviously, it goes to the starter. The only thing working on the starter is the
Well,
clicker.
don't touch it, mother lover.
Take the fucking battery off. You tied it? Yo, I told you, you busted the inside of that trailer. Nigga, stop. Just leave it right here. Just leave it alone.
We worked all day, and the trans is done also as well. In regards to the clutch that came out looking like that,
Yeah, it was crazy.
but the input shaft took a fucking, I don't know at what point that shit didn't start happening until the clutch was like done and I ordered the clutch, but the input shaft took a shit, so like it's not inputting, it's just fucking scraping or scrubbing. I don't know how to
You're making a
explain it.
weird ass noise.
At Unk Slime on Instagram, if you got a trans, just send it to me. I don't care. If it's
Or we're
built-
gonna be forced to get the trans out that
Or yeah, I'm taking the trans out
out the TT.
Gen 1 TT. Because if it's 180 horsepower, that's me, my boy. EHA02J, just fight with your boy now. I'm not even gonna cap you down. We finna goddamn like this blunt. And that's
Yeah.
making the edit.
Yeah.